Here is a puzzle for you. An equilateral triangle with each side 6 meters long and inside it a perfectly fitted semicircle. The question is, what's the exact area of that semicircle? Most people get stuck halfway, but if you stay with me, I'll walk you step by step to the surprising answer. Given a triangle with an inscribed semicircle, the semicircle diameter lies along the top of the triangle and its arc touches the two sides. How large is the red shaded area of the semicircle? So, to solve, we have to find the area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. Here we are dealing with a semicircle. So we are going to divide the area of the circle into 2. That is pi r squared divided by 2. A equals to pi r squared over 2. So we need to find the radius in order to find our area. We are given the diameter as 6, so half of it will be 3. These are radius. We can draw them from anywhere from the center of the circle. So we can draw the radius from here to this touching point. If you take note, we have built a triangle here. So this radius touched the semicircle at this point, and this line acts as the tangent line. So let me tell you about a theorem, radius and tangent theorem. It states that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Here is the point of contact and it is perpendicular. So similarly in our diagram, this also is perpendicular. So that means it is at right angle or 90 degrees. So we have a right angle triangle. The next thing is, what information do we have already about this triangle? The length is 6 meters. When we divide by 2, we have 3 meters. So here is 3 meters. We don't know the length of this side. We want to find out the length of this side. We only know the length of one side. What can we do again? I think we should try the angles. Here, if you take note, the triangle is an equilateral triangle. It has all sides and angles equal. For us to find out, the sum of angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So, to find each angle, we divide 180 by 3. We have 60 degrees. So, each angle in this triangle is 60 degrees. Let us go back to our small triangle. We have a right angle triangle. We want to find out the length of this side here. Now, since we know the size of one of the angles, we can use sine, cosine, or tangent. To find the length of this side here, let us use SOHCAHTOA. Now, to decide which one we are using, for our angle, we want to find opposite side. So we have opposite here and here. So we will not be using this. So we also have to check the given side here. The given side is the hypotenuse. So there is no hypotenuse here. So we will not be using this to solve. So now we are to use sine. So sine 60 degrees equals to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So the opposite side here is r and the hypotenuse is 3. Now let us multiply. When we multiply, we have r equals to 3 sine 60. So you can go ahead and type this into your calculator and solve, but I will be using it like that. Now I take the answer the way it is to the formula of the area of a semicircle we found. That's A equals to pi r squared over 2. Now I'm going to substitute the r into this formula. So I've done that. So now when you calculate with your calculator, you're going to get 10.6 meters. I hope you gain value in this lesson. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.